avocado tree, because these are beautiful, expensive fruits that we're hopefully going to have plenty of. Look at all these beautiful flowers. We have already dropped our tree in, and now everyone's going to take a turn adding some dirt, and you can feel free to smooth it out a little. And guys, I want to take a moment to introduce Jesse Salazar, my former student, if you have not met him yet, but he is the founder of SLA. We have Dr. Jansen, so thank you so much, Dr. Jansen, for your support and for helping us create this beautiful space.
You're welcome. And just to share, I can't tell you how excited I am about the work that's been done here. You guys know what this space looked like beforehand. You know, it was an eyesore. And we would get complaints even from the neighbors saying, what are you going to do about that corner over there? Make it a place to think about growing and eating healthy foods. So just thank you guys. I know you're all giving up your own personal time right now. I know your teacher has given up lots of her personal time. So thank you for caring about our district.